Hello and welcome to today's Simplygon tutorial. Today we will have a look at Simplygon's flipbook impostor in Unreal Engine. It is possible to use these impostors in other engines as well, but you would need to implement your own flipbook shader. In Unreal Engine, our Simplygon plugin already contains one. During the making of this video, we have set the transition distance a bit closer to the camera than what you would have in a real game. This is for clarity, so we can see what is going on. So, what are flipbooks? A flipbook consists of a quad, several texture atlases containing the object rendered from different views, and a shader which selects the corresponding one depending on the viewing angle. Start by creating a LOD recipe. Then assign all meshes. Lastly, we set it to use the flipbook pipeline. You can also change the number of viewing angles here, either by changing number of views or number of columns and number of rows. Additionally, add material caster for each of the material channels that your object needs in order to be rendered properly. Now let's build the LOD by clicking Build. To specify the transition distance to camera, open up the mesh and select Custom in the LOD picker, as well as unchecking Autocompute LOD distances. You can now pick which screen size to use your flipbook for by changing screen size on that LOD level. Let us compare how number of views affect the final result. We can see that the more views we have, the less noticeable it is that it's a flipbook. This comes at the cost of increased texture size. As with everything else in video game optimization, this is an act of balance. That is all for today. For more tips and tricks on how to optimize your game with Simplygon, please follow our YouTube channel.